Hello students. So here this is Professor Lakdawala and today I am going to teach you a very interesting topic. Yes, the name of the chapter is called as linear inequation. Now you might have heard like equations, right? Now equations, whenever the thing comes like equation, your equation is always like this type: x plus 3y is equal to 4, right? So this is my equation. Why it is called an equation? Because here you have an equal to sign. Like this side is equal to this. So this is your equation, right? Now here you have two variables. You can also have an equation like x squared plus 3x is equal to 4. Correct? Now in this equation, in the above equation, I have to find the value of x and y. That what can be the values of x and y, so that my answer has to be 4. So there can be like one or two values of x and y, not more than that. In this is my quadratic equation. Here you will be having two values of x, right? If I like, what will be the values of x? So if I put the values of x in this, my LHS becomes equal to RHS, right? If it is of 1 degree, like 3x plus 4 is equal to 7. Okay, suppose if I give you this one, you know now that 4 is going to go on that side. But what values of x can be there so that my LHS is equal to RHS? So my basic idea in equation is like we have to find the different types of values of x. But here the today topic which we are learning is called a linear inequation. Linear inequation. It is not equation, it is linear inequation, right? So how my equation is going to get represented? It can be in this way. It can be like x squared plus 1 by 2 is less than 5, right? So here in this equation, what all values of x I have, right? What all values of x I have, that if I put in this, my answer has to be less than this side. In this you have the equal to sign, here you don't have equal to sign. Here you have the less than sign or greater than sign, and depends like, okay, so all. So here that's why this is called inequation, because it is not equal, this is not equal to this. So we are going to study this topic today, right? Before starting with this one, let's revise with the small concepts like what do you mean by a natural number. You people know natural number starts from 1, 2, 3 and onwards. 1 to infinity, it is whole number, which starts from 0. Then we have integers. It starts from minus side to all the positive numbers. So it has all negative numbers, it has all positive numbers including 0. And the last thing which you people have to learn and remember is also called as real numbers. Real numbers means all numbers. Every number comes in the real numbers, like 3.5, 4.2, 3.6, minus 2.1. Minus means all negative decimal numbers, all positive numbers, 0, all the integers, all natural, everything will come inside the real number. Okay, so that is real number. So real number will have decimal values also, right? So you just have to remember there's all different types of systems, so it becomes very easy for you to understand, right? Now let's take an question like of linear inequation. The linear equation is similar how you solve the equations, right? So let's see how we'll solve the equation. Suppose my equation is x by 2, okay, minus 5 less or equal to x by 3 minus 4. Okay, so this is my equation. It is inequation, right? And here I have to find the value of x. Okay, I have to find the value of x where x is positive or integer. Okay, I have to find the value of x. Okay, but they have given you the condition: x is positive or integer. You know, integer means all negative and positive numbers, but it is positive and it has to be odd only. Okay, so how can we solve this? Now when we are solving this type of inequation, you have to take x terms on one side and you take the numbers on the other side. So it becomes x by 2 minus x by 3 less or equal to minus 5 goes on that side. So we get minus 5 plus minus 4 plus 5. If I solve this, I have to do the LCM, right? So it becomes 3x minus 2x whole divided by 6. So this is 1. I just did the LCM, right? I multiplied by 3, I multiplied by 2. So in this way I got my LCM, and this is my step, right? Now when it is whole divided by, then I have to take my 6 on that side. So it becomes 3x minus 2x less or equal to 6, right? Because 6 ones are 6. 3x minus 2x is x. X is less than equal to 6. Now here when I am seeing like x is less or equal to 6, here x doesn't have one value. It has all the values which are less or equal to 6. But what they have given you the condition is x should be positive and it has to be only odd integer, right? So what all odd numbers are there which are less than 6? 6 cannot come, right? So it will be 5, 3, 1, and I can't go below that, right? Because below 1, 0 to won't come because 0 is not a odd number. So my answer solution set is 1, 3 and 5. These are the 3 numbers which are less or equal to 6. So this is my answer, students, right? Correct? So let's take one more example, like I'll make you understand more detail, okay? That how can we draw the number line also by in the linear inequation. Okay, suppose they have given you equation like minus 2 less or equal to 1 by 2 minus 2x divided by 3 less or equal to 1 5 by 6. Now they have given you this equation. Here they have mentioned x belongs to natural number. Students, this thing is very very important. What they mention, they can mention x belongs to integer, x belongs to real number, x belongs to whole number. But here they have told x belongs to natural number, and you know natural number starts from 1 and onwards. You have to remember this, guys, right? And here they have told you to draw the number line and also find the solution set. Now how can we solve this? This equation, we have to equate these two things and we have to equate these two things. So I'll be solving this part separately and this part separately, correct? So here can I write it as minus 2 less or equal to 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3, and this side it will be 1 by 2 minus 2x by 3 less or equal to 1 5 by 6, as we did in the previous one. I took x terms on one side and I took my numbers on the other side. So what I'll do, I'll take this x term on this side and I'll take my number on this side, correct? So if I solve this, it becomes 2x upon 3 less or equal to, so this becomes 5 by 2, correct? So I'll just cross multiply it. So I have to find the value of x, so I'll keep my x term alone. So x less or equal to 5 by 2 into 3 by 2. So therefore you get x as 15 by 4. Okay, so if I cancel this out, my decimal value of x will be 4 ones are 4 3s are 12. Okay, so 4 3s are 12, 4 7s are, so it is something near about 3.7, right? So I'll just take this as approx value. So x is less than equal to 3 by 7, and even this side I'll solve this. So I'll take 1 by 2, I'll take this number on that side, I'll take this term on this side. So minus, and this is my mixed fraction, so I have to convert into improper fraction. So it becomes 6 1 is 6, 6 plus 5 is 11. So it is 11 by 6 less or equal to 2x by 3. I'll solve this. So after I do the LCM, this becomes minus, okay, 2 3s are 6, so 3 minus 11 will be 8, which will be minus 8 upon 6 less or equal to 2x by 3, correct? If I solve this more further, so I'll keep my x alone, and I'll take my number on this side. So 3 1s are 3 2s are 2 1s are 2 4s are. So therefore your x is greater or equal to, now as I've taken my x side, x is on this side, I'll change my sign on this side and this number is going to go on that side, right? I can reduce this more further. So 2 1s are 2 2s are. So x is greater or equal to minus 2. So I'm going to get a range. X is less than equal to 3.7 and x is greater than minus 2. Now here my question is very important, in which it is telling me x belongs to a natural number. Now guys, tell me, okay, so what is my range? X is greater than minus 2. It is greater than minus 2 and x is less or equal to 3.7. This is the answer which I am getting, right? So first I have to write down the solution set. X is greater than equal to minus 2. Is minus 2 going to come in my answer? X belongs to natural number. Minus 2 cannot come. Negative number doesn't come. Natural number starts from 0 or 1. It starts from 1. So here greater than minus 2 doesn't come. So minus 2, minus 1, 0 won't come. 1 will come. 2 will come. 3 will come. And x is less than 3.7. Decimal numbers are not going to be included in natural number. It has to be less than 3.7. So my last value is 3. I don't have anything else. So in this way we write down the solution set. Every question solution set is very important. Now I have to draw the number line. How can I draw the number line? I have to just draw a line with a pencil. We have to draw. Okay, you people all know like how we can draw a line, right? Where the middle term is 0 we write. Then we mention this as 1, 2, 3, 4, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Now what numbers you have in the solution set? For natural number, only those numbers you have to dark it. So I'll be darking it 1, I'll dark 2 and I'll dark 3. I just have to dark those numbers which are there in the solution set. In this way students, we get the solution set and we have to draw the number line for the natural number, right? I hope you people are understanding, right? Bye.